is not a makeup video. This is an announcement video. Basically, it's an informative video of what's to come with this channel, about when I'll be uploading content, you know, all the things that basically make up this channel. So, as you can tell, I haven't uploaded since 2-3 months ago. That was probably the last video I uploaded, and that is because I do not live at home most of the time. I attend college elsewhere. I actually go to college upstate, so I only come home during the breaks, and during the time when I'm at college, I do not have the materials such as a desktop and video editing software to edit my videos. All of that is at home, and the only thing I have over there is my laptop, and you can't really edit videos on your laptop. So therefore I haven't really uploaded since then because I can't. Besides that, I have decided that I will try and upload consistently now. Consistently meaning I have planned to upload bi-weekly, meaning every other week. So the reason for that is I'm actually home, as you can tell. I've been home for a week, and within that time span I have been filming and editing videos for you guys, and obviously you can't film as much as you'd like to in 1 week. So therefore I have enough content to post every other week up until I get back. So starting April 6th, so not next week, the week after next week, will be the first video, and then after that I will be posting every other week. So my timing for videos is I will be posting on Fridays, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you guys would like to be notified immediately as I post my video, make sure to hit the bell button and do whatever it tells you to. Besides that, my first video is April 6th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday. After that, I will be posting every other week, and my last video will be on May 11th, same time. These videos that I will be posting will be pre-recorded, obviously. So after May 11th is when I will be back, and I will have the time to film a video for a portion of the week, edit for a portion of that week, and then finally post on Friday. So I'll have enough time, and I won't have to film numerous amount of videos every single day and edit them. Besides that, before I get into something else, I hope you bear with me with all of that. I know it is definitely a lot on my part, but I do love to film, and I do want to be consistent with this channel for sure. Now on to the next thing is content. There is a lot of exciting content I have filmed. Tutorials, DIYs, reviews, tons and tons of reviews. I know you guys like those, so I did film a ton of those for you guys. After that, don't know what to say. Oh, if you guys are ever interested in seeing a particular thing, let me know in the comment section. I am down to film almost anything. I love to film, so if you do want to see something that you might be interested in, please let me know so that I can try my best to film it. I definitely am really interested in knowing what you guys are into and just overall feedback of my videos. So I believe that is all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching this video, which will be uploaded probably tomorrow, because once I'm done filming I'm going to edit this. But besides that, thank you so much for bearing with me, and I hope to see you guys on the next video, which is once again April 6th on Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So see you then, and yeah, bye!